All right, so you've created a new project using the site portfolio template, and unfortunately, there is a problem. And the problem is, as you notice, it says working. So what this means is the code is not compiling in the browser. And that's an issue, right? Because as we're working on our website, our portfolio website, we want to be able to preview the our HTML. So here's the workaround that I need you guys to do to get us on the right track. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to home. And we are going to create a new Replit. And I want you guys to create or use this one that says HTML, CSS, JS. So if you need to search, you can just search HTML and just make sure CSS and JS pops up. I want you to select that. It's going to give you a random title for your Replit project, and I want you to go ahead and create that project. Okay, so what I'm going to have you guys do is I want you to go back to your home, and I want you to click on that. I want you to select that portfolio site template, and notice that I'm going to right click on that and I'm going to open link in a new tab. So here's my project here. And once again, it's not working. And in this other Replit tab, I want you to click on the project that just basic HTML project that you made. And this is the workaround. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy and paste the code over. So if you're on a Mac computer, you're gonna select your index.html file, you're gonna go Command A or Control A, then Command C or Control C, and then we're gonna go back to our other project that we just made, and we're just gonna paste all that code in, which is really nice. We're gonna go to the script.js, and we are going to select all, copy, and we're going to go to the script.js file. We're going to go ahead and paste that in, and then style.css file. That's all we have here, but let's go to the style.css folder here. Command A, Command C, and I'm going to go here. I'm going to delete this, and then I'm going to paste in there. Okay, and I also just want to make sure that you guys read the README file. So you can go back to the portfolio template and read the README file, just so you know a little bit about the developer who created this and any kind of notes they have on this specific template. We're going to go back to our project and we're going to run. Woohoo! Everything looks great. This is so exciting. Except for, if you notice here, the Replit logo did not transfer over well, right, in our copy paste. So we're going to go to that index.html file, and we're going to, this is the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look for that Replit logo. So in looking for that, we're going to go all the way up. So we're going to start from the top of the document because obviously it's somewhere in our navigation. So it's not in the head, it's going to be in the body. And it looks like it's in the header of the document, right? So the header's right here. That's basically our nav bar section. And I'm pretty sure that it's this right here. So it's my line number 19. Actually, that includes 21. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to comment that out. And eventually you might want to put a logo there. So we'll keep all of that HTML, but we'll comment all of that out. And let's go ahead and run our code again. And you'll notice that now that's gone. But we have all the HTML here. And so if we want to add our own company logo or our own personal logo here for our portfolio website, we can pretty much just drop in a URL, or if it's an image you're going to add into your assets folder, you can link to that image here, and then it'll pop up exactly where that Replit logo was. So sorry about the workaround, but as you embark on your development journey, this is typically what happens. You're going to have to think about what's going to be the workaround. I want this to happen. What's going to be the workaround? This is like a perfect example of problem solving. And problem solving is really like how, as freelancers, that's a daily occurrence for us, and just really getting comfortable with thinking, how can I problem solve this issue so that I can move forward? And this is a workaround. And now you're ready for the next video, which you're going to be connecting your Replit project to your GitHub account. Aloha.